Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of April, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link those ladies as well. What are we doing today? Well, it's Sunday, my friends. High priority cash stuffing. So I have some envelopes that get me through the week for my weekly expenses. We'll go through that. But also I'm working on some savings challenges that are pretty important to me because one is for Christmas and then the other two are for my kiddo's birthday, which will be coming very soon. June is sneaking up pretty quickly. So I'm just going to keep on working towards my goals for my kiddos, and then I'll, move on to my next goal, which is my birthday, which is at the end, towards the end of summer. So what are we stuffing today? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have $125 that I'm working with today. I don't have a solid plan. My weekly expenses stay pretty consistent, so we will start with those and go from there. All right, so these envelopes are from Wonderprint Creations, and if I can remember, I will link her channel down below. She does have a shop. I'm not certain the status of it, but let's jump in. Mommy's getting $10. Gas, 20 bucks. Household, $10. Pets, getting $10. And laundry, getting $10. And I did miss my Tuesday run. Sometimes I'm good, and then if I miss on Tuesday, then I really focus hard on making sure that I make it on Wednesday, and I didn't. So I ended up having to use the whole $10, which, yeah. Anyway, that's that. All right, so what should we do next? Let's do our save $225 in 2025. What are we going to save today? What if we save $30? Let's do 30. So we'll do a 20 and a 10. Yes. This one, working on it for a second time, I did have to empty it out before I was actually ready to use it for my kiddo's birthday, so I had to start over. But that's okay because I'm back at it again and we're making really good progress. Okay, so we need to find, here's a 10. Each slot that is supposed to get money has the amount listed on it. So where's my 20? There's a 20. Perfect. So this way, this savings challenge is getting some love. Perfect. That went pretty smoothly, right? Don't let me jinx it. All right, next up we're going to move into our Christmas bingo, which has been quite stressful if I don't say so myself. I've been adding in the basic numbers, which are on the player's card here, and then also I've been adding in the bonus cards, which are more money. So let's go ahead and pull the numbers we need out. Okay, let's see. All right, so we're gonna mix up. Try to grab a couple of these. I don't have any ones set aside, so hopefully we can, let's see, do we have any ones? 2, 3, 4, 5. Just in case we have some small numbers, we'll go ahead and put that $5 there. And I did end up swapping out the bigger bills that were in here for my sinking funds cash stuffing. So that's why it looks like there's more money. It's just smaller bills. Okay, let's see here. Need my red marker? Check. Oh, this isn't this. Okay, I think this is my marker. And so what we'll do is we'll grab a couple of numbers just to get us going. 01. That's $1. Okay. $1. Let's see, what else do we got? G3. 1, 2, 3. $9. Okay. Well, that changed quickly, didn't it? So we'll just take this one and put 10 here. Okay. And let's try, yes, another one. 04. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's $3. Okay, $3. Should we do one more? How about we pull a bonus card? Let's pull a bonus card. Let's see here. Bonus, $2. Okay, and then should we pull another? No, let's pull another actual bingo number. B2, 7. We need to put $3 back here. Perfect. All right, so we have a few dollars left, and I actually wanted to put some money into it's not really a challenge, but my birthday savings binder for my kiddo's birthday. So should we in there and put some money aside? Let's in there. Let's in there. We're going to put these away. Well, first off, these cards we're not going to play again until we restart this game. So we'll go ahead and put these here for now. And then we will add this $5, $10, $15, $16, $17 here. Should we do a count of how much we have saved in this bingo? Yes, let's do a count. All right, so my Christmas bingo has saved me 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97. I have $97. Yay! 97. That's so awesome. All right, and then we will put these aside for the next time we come together. So next Sunday, we should pull this back out again and continue saving. This savings challenge is available in our Etsy shop. It saves you a minimum of $116 just with the player's card, and so the extra dollar amounts can increase it. I know that I had thought about previously doubling the even numbers and tripling the odd numbers and things like that. So you can save as much as you want by making the game work for whatever your needs are. All right. And I'm just going to put the board away. And we'll move on to this savings binder, which is for my kiddo's birthday. It's not necessarily a challenge. I'm just trying to save whatever I can so my kiddos and I can do something fun for their birthday. So I think what we'll do is we will put $5 into food. And food now has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And I haven't quite figured out exactly what we're going to do because I am in the process of trying to figure out my moving situation into a new place. So if we're in a new place, sorry, my kiddos are so loud. If we're moving into a new place, then I don't want to spend money on an Airbnb. I would like for us to enjoy the time in our new home. God willing, we'll be moving into a new place. All right, Victor, we're going to give him $5. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And this is just cash for them to spend. I don't know exactly what we're going to do yet. So whatever he wants to spend it on at this point. And if absolute worst case scenario, I'll just give them the money in a card. They like their money cash app, but they've also asked for game systems for their birthday. Oh, geez. $5 for Vincent. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. How does he have $22? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 17. They should both have the same amount. That's not going to work for me. Let me make an adjustment because they need to have the exact same amount. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Okay, that's better. I don't know what I've done. I know I went in here to make change, but I don't know how I messed that up. So they both have the same amount, which now they do. They should be accurate. Both have the same amount. I don't give one kid more money than the other because they're only 11 months and 2 weeks apart, which is not that big of a difference. And until they start celebrating their birthdays separately, which I don't know if they ever will, but if they do, then at that point I'll cross that bridge where, you know, their birthdays are specific to them and they want certain things, or, you know, for a certain amount. We're going to go ahead and add this last $3 to mommy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. I don't know what I did, you guys. Did I misplace money? Did I move money around? Doesn't matter. We've got them squared away, which it's their birthday, which is the most important. I made me an envelope so that way when we decide to go somewhere or whatever, I won't be empty-handed, and basically I can have a buffer of some sort if they need more money, or if I see something that I want while we're out. If we go out. I don't even know what's happening, you guys. All right, so we've gone ahead and done our birthday savings binder, our weekly expenses, our Christmas bingo, as well as our Save 225 in 2025. Hopefully that gets a lot more love going on here. But I think that's it, you guys. That's everything. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful week, guys. Bye-bye.